We all are from class 8 and through this video we tell you about the Indian Constitution. Constitution is a set of basic laws and principles by which a country governs. It explains how a country works, the power of different institutions and rules and duties of a citizen. But this cannot be the correct definition of constitution. Constitution can be defined as a written or unwritten document which contains laws and rules of a nation. It act as supreme law in the country. Thank you.
Is the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India was enacted on 26 November 1949 and came into force on 26 January 1950. The preamble to the Constitution is clearly stated that the Union of India is a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. Preamble is also known as soul of Constitution. The time taken to complete the Indian Constitution is 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. And when any law passed by the legislature is against the spirit of the Constitution, it is called unconstitutional. Show you the preamble of Constitution.
The Constitution and the legitimacy of law. What is legitimacy? Legitimacy of law means law are accepted as fair, just and rightful by the people. Role of the Constitution and legitimacy is provide the fundamental of all laws, ensure alignment with fundamental rights. Power of government, build trust among citizens. Importance of legitimacy: promote obedience to law, protect citizens' right. Judicial review: the right to review. The right to review has passed by the legislature as with the Supreme Court of India. This is called judicial review.
Next topic is dissent. Dissent means disagreement with an idea and are dissent. It to express to opinion fairly. It is an important part of our democracy. It help people beginning, changing and empowerment. People can question the government through dissent.
Federalism means power sharing. Power is shared between the center and the state. Both government have their own areas to work on, and the Supreme Court solves disputes between the center and the state. India also has a panchayat for villages, and our constitution make our India very strong democracy.
Separation of power. Separation of power is dividing the government authority into different parts. It helps us to prevent the misuse of power by one person or group. There are three main branches: legislature, executive and judiciary. The legislature made the law and the executive implement law, enforce law. The judiciary interprets the law and ensures justice. This system is balanced, maintain democracy. Fundamental rights because there are human basic rights. They are essential for the human well-being of citizen. Fundamental rights advocates such as equality, liability and justice. There are 6 fundamental rights enshrined in the constitutional. There are right to freedom, right to equality, right against exploitation, right to freedom, religions, culture and educational right to constitutional right.
Fundamental duties of India are basic responsibilities that every citizen should follow to help the country grow and stay united. This is written in Article 51A.
Parliamentary form of government. Parliamentary government is a system where the executive is responsible to the legislature. It is also called the cabinet system or responsible government in the prime minister is the real head government, वो while the president or monarch वो is the nominal head. The executive is formed from the majority party in the parliament. The council minister is responsible to the parliament if the parliament वो loses confidence in the government. Country like India and United Kingdom follow system.
Secular means any one religion is not promoted as the state religion in India. In India is only country which is secular. This is secular. In India we find that many religions, but except that in India all religions and all religions and caste are equal, and which tell that India is a united country in diversity.